Hey, welcome back to ZookMe. Today we're going to show you how to change out your engine pitch mount on a 2022 WRX. Let's get to it. First step, you want to pop this. No, I can't get it up. Okay, so for this 2022 WRX, we need a 12 to take off. 2, 2, 4, 2, 6. This one is 7. Pull the intercooler out off the throttle body. Okay, so I thought for sure mine was going to be broken because I have a lot of engine walking. So I'm just going to replace it with the Perrin. Okay, so with 14, I don't know if you can see that way. We're going to take off this one and this one. Oh, we need a 14-inch, 14 millimeter wrench. I supposed to say wrench, not inch. So this is the stock one. This is the Perrin, and just this middle part here is huge. It's like double, but this is like, I don't even know what this is. This is heavy duty, so we're gonna put it on. Okay, this whole outside and this whole outside, like this. Okay, it's in. It took maybe 5 minutes. Maybe? Not bad. Super easy. So now we're going to put the intercooler back on. Next time we will do short throw shifter. Thanks for watching my video.